Today I'm taking a look at the Pneumatic brad nailer. We got some safety goggles, got our instructions. It actually comes with a bunch of nails. We got a couple of Allens, we got a bottle for oil, and we have got our nailer. So the first thing I'd see is it has a very nice rubber grip on here. This is super grippy. It is pneumatic, so you are going to need an air compressor. It does already have a quick connect on there. So this is interesting. It actually has a little release there, so that way if we have to clear something, we can actually do that instead of having to try to dig around there with like a tiny screwdriver or something like that. So that's kind of cool. We got our trigger. Nice, easy feeling trigger. Down the bottom, we got our magazine latch. So we can pull that guy out, drop our nails in, make sure we're going with the sharp side down, and then close it back together. One thing that's pretty nice about this is because this is a clear plastic window, we can actually see all the nails in there, so we know exactly how many we got left. We got our exhaust port on the back. Now, one of the cool things about this is we can actually direct that away from us. So if we're right-handed, we can have it going that way. If we're left-handed, we can have it going that way. And it does say it recommends between 60 and 120 PSI. I'm just gonna give it some 10-weight oil. Just give it a couple drops. You can fill it up if you want to, but you're just gonna blow all the oil out the exhaust. Yeah, that has got plenty of power to it. Now this air supply is 120 PSI, so it has got more than enough. It does appear that you got to release the trigger every time, so you can't just hold the trigger and pound it. But that's fine. Easy way to get a lot of nails quick. If you want to do some upholstery, easy as cake. Find some baseboard or some ground molding or something. There we go. That's it. Overall, that is an awesome tool.